Yo. Hey, just like you guys out there, I'm often looking at properties to purchase. Just put a multi-unit under contract, doing the home inspection with my guy Morgan Hughes, who's one of the best. We're on the roof, taking a look at the condition. It's going to need some work, but nothing that overly concerns me, and I can factor that into my budget. The seller's done some nice work on his masonry, which I love, which is a great bonus for me. Let's take a look at some of this stuff. So here you have some nice new tuck pointing, some new driplets flashing, weeping ropes. They reinstalled all the limestone, which is really nice. There's our hatch, this chimney. That's a crappy tuck point job. We're gonna have to redo that. Overall, the roof, I can milk it along. Got our AC units up here, but you can see some areas where the roof membrane's starting to buckle. We got some puddling here, almost like a little bit of a dam. And if I step on it, it's a little crusty. So I could do some patching, take out some of the membrane, patch it, repair it, give it a new silver coat, and extend this life versus tearing it off right away, which is not in the budget, but updating the roof and maintaining it is. Stay tuned. Yeah, I just wanted to point out some differences in the tuck pointing that the seller's done. I suspect some of these chimneys are ones that he currently uses and some he doesn't. For example, I showed you that one. I showed you this one. Here's one sample of a really nice one, right? Rebuilt the whole brick. Here's what the old brick was. Brought in all the brick, concrete cap, nice flute, then put a lid on it with a cage so no debris can get down, or animals. But here's one that really needs work right away. That's a no-no. That's gonna fall.